What's up, guys? Welcome to Cointable. I'm Chris Tisdale, and we're with Larry. Hi, Larry.
Hey Chris, how you doing?
Good. How are you?
I'm excited.
So we're at a coin show, and Larry had a question, and he said, look, how do you make money on coins if you don't have a lot of money to start? And so I'm going to go over a handful of examples. We're just barely scratching the surface here, but maybe somebody can find some value in it. The whole key, Larry, boils down to training your eye. You want to learn everything there is to know about something. So pick a lane, okay? Are you a wheat cent guy? Do you like Lincoln cents? Do you like nickels, dimes, quarters, silver dollars? Do you like gold? Probably gold. Let's throw that out of the equation because that's probably not inexpensive to get started. You want to pick one thing that you like and then study it. You want to learn everything there is to know about it. What I like to do at coin shows, especially starting out, is I like to find the albums, and I like to just start looking through them, because you never know what you're going to find in those albums when you start digging. So I'm looking for proof-like business strikes. I found a 1943 S steel cent, paid either $5 or $10 for it. I knew it was proof-like, I graded it, it came back 66 proof-like, I sold it for $600. I put it on eBay and it sold in literally less than a day for $600. Just because I knew it was proof-like. That's one example of making money with a little bit of money. The very first show I came to, I found 2 Franklin half dollars. The total fluke. It happened on accident. There was a 1963 and a 1959, and I just thought they looked nice. I didn't even know anything about full bells at the time, but I bought them both for like 12 bucks a piece. A little while later, I've learned about full lines. If I send them off to grade, they come back 66 and 65 full bell lines. The 59D I sold for like just under 600. The 62 or 63 or whatever it was 200 or 300. So I mean, you know, we're into these coins 10 or 20 bucks, and if you can sell it for 400, 500, 600, that's a good way to start. A great way is cameos and deep cameos. If you're looking at proofs, everybody loves deep cameos. Nickels, full step nickels are a great way to just find easy money in the coin business. Go into the coin show, look through all the albums, and there's certain dates of nickels where if they have full steps on the reverse, they're worth a huge premium. Mercury dimes, full bands, same deal. Full step nickels, full bands, full bell lines, that's a fully struck coin. And there are certain years that are very scarce. I know I just threw a ton of info out there, but pick one of those things. Just pick one, study it, learn it, watch the grading videos on PCGS's website. Another great way is varieties. Double dyed obverse, double dyed reverse, RPMs, which is repunched mint marks. I call it free money with the varieties. Any questions?
Yeah, Chris, you know, this being my first coin show and being really interested in hearing a lot about coins, is there a certain way or certain, you know, area I can start or a way to gain knowledge? Like, so when I step in here, it's all overwhelming. Like, there's just so much, and like just being a newcomer, and I know there's probably a lot of newcomers out there that are, you know, just like me, interested but don't know where to start. What would be step one that you could maybe encourage others or just myself to start at?
That's a great question. Step one is just to look at coins. Literally go to a coin shop, go to a coin show, and literally look at coins. When I was brand new starting out, everybody told me, oh, you got to pick a niche, you got to pick a lane, you got to find a series, you got to find this, find that. Fate kind of put me in my lane because I started in the business coin roll hunting, looking for silver. I was looking at half dollars. Anytime I found silver, it was either a Kennedy or a Franklin, and so that's kind of what guided me into my lane. You got to go to a coin shop or a coin show, and you got to just look at coins and find out what coin speaks to you. And when I mean look, when I say look at coins, I mean like pick them up, hold them, look at them with a loop, look at coins. There's going to be a coin where you're just going to like it for some reason, and you'll just be like, I like those coins, and that's what it'll be. And so I would recommend starting by looking at coins, and then once you have something speak to you and you like it, then you just got to dig, start digging, start learning, researching online, watching videos on how to grade Jefferson nickels, how to tell if a Jefferson nickel has full steps. You know, look into stuff like that, and just study it, learn it.
Yeah, man, I'm excited to learn from you, man. You seem to know everything about everything in here, and yeah.
That's an overstatement, yeah. But I appreciate it. I'll take it as a comment. Any other questions?
No, that's it, man. I'm ready to get started.
We're going to get Larry here making money on coins, and we're going to kind of document the process. So he's excited, I'm excited, and it's going to be fun.
Yeah. I look forward to y'all joining us on the journey, and see you next clip.
Yeah, see you next time. Thanks for watching. Again, I'm Chris Tisdale with Cointable. Go ahead and like, subscribe, make a comment. Tell your friends it's the best freaking YouTube channel on the whole entire internet or something. Just if you like the content, support us. Thanks, guys. See you next time.